settled weather, I think, for much of the country in the next few days. In fact, for the rest of the week, really. Chilly easterly winds for a while, but as the high pressure eases across and settles down on top of us, then we're going to have the seasonal problem of fog and frost, a fair bit of both, I think, in the coming nights. Now, today we've seen a lot of cloud across the country, at least we did to begin with. There was some fog around the southeastern corner of the country, up into the Midlands, and we're now looking at somewhat clearer weather coming across the southern North Sea and towards the southeastern corner of the country, preceded by some thicker cloud and one or two showery bursts of rain. In fact, right the way up this eastern side of the country, there could be a spot or two of rain or a shower here and there, but they'll tend to die away, I think, during the rest of the afternoon, and then much sunnier weather coming into the extreme southeast, and some good breaks showing up in other parts of the country too. Best sunshine, though, I think, in the south and in the west, but generally speaking, there will be a fair amount of cloud around, and cloud holding in Shetland too, with some further drizzle there. The breeze continuing to freshen from the east or the southeast, so temperatures of 10 to 12 degrees will feel a little bit lower than that. It'll be quite chilly. But then on the other hand, that breeze persisting this evening and tonight, and although skies will continue to clear, it's only, I think, in sheltered spots where you'll get a touch of frost. Ground frost perhaps rather more widespread, but air frost only in one or two sheltered spots, and perhaps in southern Scotland too. Otherwise, the lowest temperatures are above freezing. And then that cold wind really bites in during tomorrow, especially, I think, across the southern part of the country. Some fog patches to begin with in the north there, but they'll clear away. And then for most parts, it's going to be a dry day, good deal of sunshine, but sport by that cold and quite strong wind. Again, we keep temperatures above freezing near to the windy areas, but tomorrow night it looks like a widespread frost, quite a sharp frost too in some of the more sheltered western areas. Following into Wednesday, another dry day, still quite cold, fair amount of sunshine after that early morning frost and fog, and some more fog and frost